We don't have to go. We don't have to go nowhere. Let them see everything what we do. This is what we do on a regular. Look, y'all.
This is what he do on a regular.
This is porn YouTube, y'all.
No, it ain't.
Stop.
Why you look like a donkey?
Stop.
No, you stop.
What's wrong with you? Let them see.
No, that's personal.
Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hand.
I know. Don't hate. I'm YouTube out, baby. Right, baby girl? Got the hat, got the shirt, and got the pants, baby. What's poppin', gang? You already know. I ain't gotta say it, but fuck it, I'm gonna say I got some good old fries.
We got some fried chicken.
Got some mac and cheese. Got some spinach.
We got some. That's spinach?
Yeah. And also I got some Chick-fil-A sauce, baby.
And you got some macaroni salad. And
Macaroni
me,
salad.
I am different, okay? I am
She's different. Let them
I
know
got
what
the same exact thing, except I got buffalo mac and cheese with chicken mix in a wrap.
She don't know what she missing. I know she wish she could put this on her shit, right? Right, gang? This shit is good, gang. No cap. Yeah, gang. Shh. Okay? Don't be the first.
Gang.
Woo! Hope y'all can see the food. Oh, I burnt the mac and cheese a little bit, y'all.
Shut up.
Look, let's get our grub on. Huh?
Why you burning?
Russian.
Blaming me.
You probably did it too.
Let's try this. Let's get into this little wrap. How that taste? Good? Uh-oh. Ooh, be careful, girl. Can't lean on stuff, baby. I wasn't leaning on
Didn't
it.
your mama teach you how not to lean your eyeballs on the table?
First of all, I wasn't leaning on it. My plate made it like unbalanced.
Whatever.
I need this close.
Slide that off. Yo, this is good. Yo, spinach is good for the blood too. I love spinach. Let's get to the sauce, baby.
So good.
Let me see. Let me try that. Give me some comments, man. How this Chick-fil-A sauce, this Chick-fil-A mustard right here tastes on the chicken. I'm about to taste it right now. Come on, let's get a thumbnail. Thumbnail, Easky. You okay, baby girl? Drink some more. Don't let the thumbnail kill you now.
I'm gonna do 2 thumbnails.
Okay. That's yours? Okay.
Now I'm gonna do. So that was yours.
No, that was yours.
That was mine. Okay, now let's do yours.
Okay, this is mine, y'all.
There you go.
There you go, baby. Nice and crunchy.
That's good.
What?
The macaroni salad. I like the chicken spice macaroni salad.
You good? You good? I didn't know that. Get you some.
You've been doing this.
You don't know that. You know that.
Is that snail?
Do you smell it now? This is bust now. Yeah.
Probably after.
When you work out and eat after,
It is so crispy.
that is the best, man. Yo, listen. I ain't gonna cap. On the low, yes, y'all do know me. I know y'all be watching my videos and all that. Yes, I do. I love to run. I do. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I love to run. That's all I do. I run.
Nike, don't peel that off the wall.
Nike, can you stop, please? Cut it out. Lay down. Relax. But anyway, yeah, I like to run, y'all, right? I run for about half an hour, 30 minutes run all the time, every day. It's good for you, you know. That's why I'm able to eat like this. You know. But money is excellent. It works out the soul, works out the mind, the body frame, the oxygen, the punches you throw, the hard work that you go through. Running pays off. The whole lot.
For all my subscribers, if y'all never had a buffalo chicken mac and cheese wrap, go make yourself some. I just took it right off the bone. But go get yourself.
Good.
It's really good.
Can I try? Hey, no fighting over there, y'all. They like to fight.
It's crispy.
It tastes like you bought it out of Chick-fil-A. Tastes pretty good.
Why you keep talking about Chick-fil-A? You never been to Chick-fil-A.
I've been to Chick-fil-A.
No, you when?
A long time ago.
Wait, because I've been with you for a while.
First of all, you only been with me for 3 years, man. Chick-fil-A.
That's a long time.
I've been to you know how many times I've been to Chick-fil-A with my family? I have family, uncles, grandmothers, mothers. Hello, they're dead now, but hello, I used to.
When's the last time you went to Chick-fil-A?
That time I was Chick-fil-A it was shit. I was 18 years old.
When's the last time you went to
When I was 18 years old, I don't remember. The only thing I remember is when I was 18.
No, I've never heard of that until all of a sudden lately he's been talking about Chick-fil-A.
I always listen. I've been to IHOP. I've been to Chick-fil-A.
I've been to IHOP
I've been to In-N-Out. I've been to sit down. I've been to shit that's been down south. I've been to Mississippi restaurants. I've been to chicken spots. You don't know what I have.
Oh, please.
You never been to Chick-fil-A. Don't be mad.
I've never been to Chick-fil-A.
I've been to Five Guys.
No, you haven't.
I'm much older than you. I've been all over.
You never been to Five Guys.
I've been to In-N-Out. Yes, I have. I've been to Popeyes. I've been to Wendy's.
I've been there.
You ain't never been to Wendy's. Let's not go there.
I've been to Wendy's too.
And you better let it drive through.
Yo,
You got
about a year ago, I'm the one that told him
I eat good food.
about this place. It's called Shake Shack.
Yo,
I'm the one that.
I even been to.
No, you haven't. Now you lying. Now
I
you
ate Shake Shack
bullshitting.
before. You know I have. You know I have.
No.
All right then. You know I have.
Now you bullshitting.
You know I have.
Whatever.
I've been to Shake
No,
Shack.
you haven't.
So how you?
You bullshit.
Yo, watch my videos. You gonna see Shake Shack?
What? You never did a Shake Shack, my friend.
This I did.
Wait.
Watch my video.
When? When was the last time?
About like 2 months ago.
You're lying.
Fuck, I'm gonna lie.
You're lying. There is no napkin.
First of all, you're not gonna talk. You're not gonna talk to me like that. You're not gonna do that.
Yeah, you full of shit.
What restaurants have you been to,
You
sweetie?
full of shit.
What restaurants have you been to?
Are you ready?
What restaurants have
Are you
you been
ready?
to? I've been ready. You don't do that.
Okay.
Give me some comments. Shut up. I'm talking. Only
Don't you ever
only
put your hand in
place
my
I
face.
took her to is McDonald's, the halal truck, and the chicken spot.
No.
Those are the only 3 places. Girl, sit down. You never been nowhere.
Yes, I have.
Nowhere.
Yes, I have.
I've been to fancy ass restaurants. All 5 boroughs.
Me too.
No, you have not.
Yes, I have. You want to hear?
I don't hear anything.
I've been to Benihana's. I have been to the dumpling house. I've been to the meatball shop.
I thought you.
have
That's how you know she lied. Yeah, when I first met her, she said, "Oh yeah, I've been eating soup." Oh, you're a liar.
No.
All my family do is feed me soup.
You're not
You're a
listening.
bum. You're a bum for that. I'm gonna owe my money. I'm gonna owe my money.
You're not listening.
I'm gonna owe my money. You're a bum for that.
You're not listening. Can I talk?
Just you lied and said, "Yo, all my family do is cook soups." I go to my grandma's house, be eating this time my grandma's house only.
Yeah.
You're a liar.
No. The only time we would eat like that is if we went to like an event or we went.
I told you
For our
you can't
birthday.
fuck with people from Staten Island, y'all.
Say no, you.
You're a liar. Why would you lie?
I didn't lie. That wasn't a lie. Every single day we was eating leftovers.
You should finish naming places unless you lying again.
Because those are the places that we used to go to for like birthdays and stuff. They were like special
She
events.
lying again. Okay, cool.
They were for special
Okay,
events.
keep naming the places you went.
I've been to Wendy's. I've been to McDonald's.
So to me.
I've been to IHOP with my baseball team. So let's get that right.
Everything for free for her.
Oh, and I went to IHOP with him and the kids. What else? Where else have I been? Oh, we went to that buffet with your dad.
You don't know how to act.
Yes, I did.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Yes, I did.
No, you don't.
What you mean?
You got your argument because you started hating the food.
I didn't get into an argument with them, no. I just specifically said they're terrible at food.
You was mad.
Yeah.
But why you lie?
That's not a lie.
You said you haven't been nowhere. Where's my drink?
Where's my drink? I can't step over here.
Drive to go.
Huh?
Drive to get up and get it.
Yeah.
But yo, see, this is crazy. You said, oh, my mother only cooks soups. She don't,
Yes.
you don't go nowhere.
No, I did not say all that. What I said was there were times where we would actually go out and eat. Remember I told you about all them pizza places? Those were for like special events. Like if we had a graduation or a birthday or an award ceremony, we would be allowed to choose what we wanted. But on regular days, it was for like 4th of July, we ordered Chinese food. Okay, my cousins was over. Like stuff like that. But those were special events, and special events rarely happen.
So you telling me you didn't have no money when you was young then? Because when I was your age, I was going all over the place without my mother and that.
Right.
So you telling me you wasn't going, you was just staying in the house. You didn't have no money.
Right. My mom would give me money. Like if I went to the
You just
nail,
say you ain't going nowhere.
if I went to the nail salon with my aunt, my mom would give me money.
Mm-hmm.
But that would be it. What? Who does that?
You get the line.
That's not a lie. You wasn't listening.
I always listen. You always lying.
He just like curled like he just like clearly like pointed his toes. Look, see? On the hook. He just ate my sandwich.
That's good though.
It's good, right? It's crispy.
Without doubt.
I decided avocado and the buffalo sauce
That would have been amazing.
don't mix.
That would have been a different taste.
No. They just probably just like real meat.
Maybe. I'm full now.
I
Yeah.
should have toasted the
I really just wanted the chicken.
So good, guys. So, hey, right after this, okay, give me my phone. Because I want to check something right in front of the camera.
Check what?
My community post.
I know you're fine.
It's in the kitchen. Why you all get me some water? Anyway, guys, I'm about to check my community post. Last night, I posted a community post for you guys to comment down below what videos that are on my husband's channel, which ones are your favorite. So I'm about to check that right now. Give me 1 second.
Nobody checked that shit.
How do you know?
Nobody likes.
We about to check this right now.
Shh. There we go, baby. There we go. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. But anyway, like I said, this is my job. I don't know why she even put up that type of video. Come on, man. I like the prank. That's what I do. If you can't handle the prank, don't watch me. God. You already know, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You know when I'm dropping these bangers. It's your boy.
Y'all,
it's your boy.
This is the problem.
What's the problem?
When my kids use my phone. They post stuff up on my community tab, and then I find out 7 days later.
Bruh. Bruh.
It's not even bra.
What is that?
That's Supreme.
Yo, come on, baby. Now, you know our kids, man. They kids, man. They gonna be kids. That on the end. But yo, give me some comments, man. This is our job. We mukbangers, we pranksters, we do shorts. This is what we do, man. This is what we do. So, give me some comments, man. Drop down below, man. Come on, man. Of course, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not.
Now I need to stop with y'all and go to our community tab. That's real.
And yo, she need to prank me. Yo, come on, give me some comments too. She need to prank me back, cause I know she'd be really upset. I know y'all seen that mouse prank. That shit was hilarious. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
It wasn't even a goddamn mouse. The hell.
It doesn't really matter. You're mine. You're mine. Look at that's what you get. You're mine.
You look like a damn.
You're mine. You was scared. You saw that little tail hanging.
You look like Bigfoot. You look like Bigfoot.
And what you look like?
You.
Shrek.
And you look like Fiona. You look like Fiona. Oh, you look like that donkey. You look like that. Stop, not on camera.
Sorry, hold on.
Give me a kiss.
No.
You see his
See what?
pettiness?
See what?
Give me a kiss. See? His little ratchet ass, donkey looking ass. No.
Stop.
No. Anyways, we gotta go.
No, we don't have to go. We don't have to go nowhere. Let them see everything what we do. This is what we do on a regular. Look, y'all.
This is what he do on a regular.
This is porn YouTube, y'all.
No, it ain't.
Stop.
Why you look like a donkey?
Stop.
No, you stop.
What's wrong with you? Let them see.
No, that's personal.
What's personal?
It's personal.
What?
Shit like that is personal.
What's personal?
You don't just.
Stop.
No.
What's wrong with you?
We on camera.
What?
Not appropriate.
Okay, baby. Come on. Don't embarrass me.
Stop. No.
Come on. Come on, stop.
Ow.
We don't have to go. We don't have to go nowhere. Let them see everything what we do. This is what we do on a regular. Look, y'all.
This is what he do on a regular.
This is porn YouTube, y'all.
No, it ain't.
Stop.
Why you look like a donkey?
Stop.
No, you stop.
What's wrong with you? Let them see.
No, that's personal.
What's personal?
It's personal.
What?
Shit like that is personal.
What's personal?
You don't just.
Stop.
No.
What's wrong with you?
We on camera.
What?
Not appropriate.
Okay, baby. Come on. Don't embarrass me.
Stop. No.
Come on. Come on, stop.
Ow.
Come on. Ow! Ow! What's going on with you?
Stop.
What? Stop.
No. What are you doing?
Slide your chair over. Come on.
No.
Oh. We done eating, right?
No.
I'm done.
I'm
Go
not.
ahead.
No.
Why not?
Why you
so
me?
giggly?
Ow.
What's wrong with you? Just relax. There you go. There you go. Yes, I like that. I like that.
No. Okay.
Stop. Calm down. You're so jumpy.
Wait. Can I just say
You're
something?
so soft.
He looked like those chubby ass kids in school who was black, fat, and stink. He's like.
Come on, baby.
Stop.
Slide your chin over. You way over there. Come on, girl.
Why are you doing this?
Cause I'm gonna get busy.
That's a bad no.
I'm gonna get busy with you.
No, stop.
Going in.
What's your problem?
I'm going.
Alright, I'm done.
No.
Y'all, I see.
What's wrong with you? Stay still. Lord, Jig, you happy today?
Okay.
Okay, what? Ow, you hurting me?
So stop.
Why? Let me get it on film. Just let me get it on film.
No.
What's wrong? Right not on camera.
Can you leave me alone?
Not on camera?
No, it's not appropriate.
Sit down,
The
guys.
hell?
Sit down, guys. I'm sorry. Slide over.
No.
Okay, but slide over.
Okay, so get your arms off.
Finish eating.
No, I can't do that when your arm is tough.
Okay. I'm not gonna touch
I'm
you.
like, how many?
Damn,
Dang.
what's wrong with you?
Stop.
I'm talking to you.
Eat your spinach.
I'm done.
No, let
I'm
me.
full. You ain't gotta do it.
Stop.
That's what I'm saying. They jiggling, they moving. You go ahead and.
No.
What's wrong?
Ow! Ow!
What's wrong?
Stop!
What the hell is wrong with you?
Oh,
Stop! Come here. What's wrong?
okay.
Come, babe.
Oh, I gotta pee.
Sit
Oh, I
up.
gotta
Sit up.
Ow!
Would you sit up? Sit up. Ow! Ow! You hurting me. Ow! 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 You hurt. Ow!
Let's get a freaking
Hey, what the hell? Just sit up. You messed up our mukbang and everything. What's you giggling? It's not over. It's not over.
Ow!
What the hell is wrong?
Stop! Not on camera!
Can you eat your food?
No.
Sit up. The food is getting cold. You're laughing. You're giggling.
Oh, I gotta pee.
What's wrong?
I gotta pee!
You
I gotta
You
pee!
gotta pee that bad? Hmm?
Stop!
Okay, slide over. Slide over. Just stop. Eat your food.
No!
Eat your food.
Stop! This is not
Look at a
appropriate.
nice thumbnail.
No!
no?
We already did thumbnail.
What's wrong?
Because
Look at
Say
you all turning red.
he's not being polite.
First she was looking like Donald Trump, orange, but now she's red.
You're being disrespectful right now.
Ow, just relax. Why are you so movable? You were moving Trump.
Stop!
Ah,
Let go of me. Because you're being very disrespectful. Get your head out. Get your head out.
I can't put things like that. Loosen up
No,
on the
you
beard.
loosen up.
Loosen up on the beard. Loosen up on the beard. Okay, loosen up on the beard. What's wrong? Why you so
Stop.
movable?
Come on.
Slide over. You so movable.
I'm
So
done.
soft.
I'm done.
You so soft and jiggly. What's wrong with you? Slide over. Girl, sit up. You sit in the wax
Oh,
chair.
I gotta pee. No, babe, really, I
You
gotta
gotta
pee.
pee?
Yes.
Why?
Yes. Oh, shit.
What's wrong,
I'm
baby
shitting.
girl?
I'm shitting.
You doodle it? I like that. Doodle all over me.
That's weird.
Wow.
Okay, I'm done.
How you done? You can't go over. You need to slide over.
Ow!
Hey, baby girl, let me give you a hug. I want a nice
Somebody
hug.
fight.
Show them that we love each other. So show them that we love. Show them that we love
No.
each other. We love each other. Show them. You messed up the camera. Show them that we love each other.
Stop!
Just show them that we love each other, baby. Just show them.
No.
Just show them.
That's not a
Show them. Wow, my hand go that far down there?
Stop! Ow! My butt!
What's wrong, baby?
Yeah, he's doing too much
What's
stuff.
wrong?
Stop!
Okay, let me kiss you.
Okay, that's it.
What's wrong, baby girl? Yeah. I just can't sit and talk.
That's not appropriate.
What's not appropriate?
Damn! All on camera, that's not appropriate.
They liked it, right, gang gang? I
Ow!
enjoyed it.
Stop.
Yeah.
No.
Why I can't have a hug?
Because you're doing too much. We're waiting for the.
Got her.
Oh.
Oh, man. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm dropping these bangers, baby. These mukbang pranks is all
Stop.
good. What's wrong?
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you click on that post notification bell to be notified every single time I post a video. If you guys want to post notification shout out, all you guys have to do is 3 things. Subscribe, make sure that post notification is sent to all, and comment down below #SmithSmith. Without further ado, guys, have a nice night. I love you.
Go hard or go home.